Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 17th episode of my reaction video of the series How to Spot a Red Flag, now streaming on View. And today, January 20, by the time na mapanood nyo to, 7 days na lang yung bibilangin natin. Kasi mapapanood na natin siya sa Kapamilya Channel, A to Z, and sa Todo Max Primetime 5 in TV5. So, before that, let's start in 3, 2, 1. So, hindi na ako masyadong nagre-react sa series na to. Kasi ewan ko ba, parang gusto ko na lang siyang panoorin. And, yeah.
He really needs this boost, man.
At ayan na nga, maapela na si Matt.
Yup.
Stress yan, Matt.
There's no competition between the two of you. That girl is not out there to be won, okay? Whether you're there or not, it doesn't matter. Kasi in the end, siya is the one who will make the choice.
True. At the end of the day, nakay siya ang huling halakhak, Charis.
Then I will make her choose me.
Sana all pinipili.
Guys, pakidalaan yung kilos, matenden. Punta muna tayo dito. Let's go.
Alright guys, quick huddle lang before we leave. Okay, I just want to formally announce na I'll be heading this project from now on.
Parang hindi sila
will be
masaya,
focusing on
actually.
different projects. So, if you all have any concerns or issues, don't be afraid to tell me, okay? I don't bite, ha?
Mas na pa pizza, ha? Ingat kayo pa uwi. You know, may pa pizza. Happy boss!
Thank you.
Parang may affected na wala na si Sir Ma.
Hindi ah.
Diba? Alam naman natin kung sinong pipiliin siya at the end of the
Distance
day.
makes the heart go. Go, go, go! Basta na-excite ka. Oh my God.
Jim.
Halid na kita? Medyo mahirap sumakay dito kapag uwian eh.
Sabay kasi kami ni Maxi uwi eh.
I can drop off the both of you.
Ay, bongga, tipid sa pamasay. Where's your car washer? Aray! May bubuyog! Ano ba yan?
Okay lang ho sir, nakakaya po kasi sa ibang staff. Una na ho kami. Besti, tara na.
True, totoo naman. Yung si
Bakit?
Something wrong? Is anything wrong?
Yung necklace ko.
Tama, yung necklace.
Yung necklace ko nawawala.
Huh?
Baka nahulog yun, te.
okay. Alam naman natin kung sinong makakakuha nito eh. Kahit palitan pa ng bago eh.
Check mo rin yung mga corners. Palay mo na sipa.
Were you wearing it? Baka naiwan mo lang sa bahay.
No, she was wearing it. I saw it on her this morning.
Sino kayo nagbigay ng necklace na yun?
Aljun, can you check with everyone kung may nakita silang necklace? Alright, thank you.
Are you sure you left it here?
Oo. Hindi. Oo, dito. Dito.
It's okay. Hey, if we don't find it tonight, I'll make sure all the staff are on lookout, okay? Right now, you need some rest.
Ang galing talagang
Right.
magpakalma ni Matt.
It's getting late at kung araw ka din nag-work.
Nasaan si
Kami na
Max?
bahala dito. Just leave it to us. But I promise, by tomorrow, sa'yo na yung necklace mo. I'd offer na ihatid kayo ni Maxi, pero I'd like to respect your wishes too.
Maxi!
Parang tumatawag sila ng
Take care
aso.
of Chad.
Sorry sa pangalan ni what
Officer.
is here.
Bestie, tara na.
Parang saan tumatawag ng aso? Or kasi sounds like
Hanap
nung
natin
aso
yan.
namin.
Yes.
Kasi
Don't
Lexi.
worry. Ingat kayo.
Kaya yan.
Dito lang yan.
Bastos
Ganyan ka
eh.
mababaw? Seryoso?
We have a strict company policy na lights off by midnight.
True.
Oh, naku.
Wait,
Sino kayo nagbigay sa kanya nung necklace na yun? Actually, yung 20 pesos, yung necklace. Feeling ko si ano yun, si Matt. Feeling ko magkakilala na sila since bata pa.
Di ba, like,
Ay,
gagawa kita
naman
ulit.
yung aso ng kapitbahay.
Hindi pwedeng mawala
Ikaw kasi
yun.
makita yung
May
pang-vlog ko
sentimental
na...
value yun sa akin eh. Yung binigay niyo sa akin
My
after
God.
kong mabudol.
Ah,
Kaya
si
yung trinay namin
tatay pala
hanapin
niya
ni
yung
Matt
nagbigay.
kanina.
Iman?
hey, di ba sabi mo dumaan yan kanina sa board track?
Tumaan po siya? Wala naman siyang binanggit sa akin kanina. Paano po sinabi niya? May sinabi po ba sa inyo? Wala naman siyang binanggit sa akin kanina.
Ay, tama, dahan-dahan. Pag si Matt ang daya mong tanong. Ako yung kinausap. Nag-sorry lang, tapos pinalis ko na.
Oo. Alam mo yung batang yan? Ano yan? Best in sorry. Best in apology. Nag-sorry sa tatay mo. Gusto ko yun.
Same.
Kasi mabait siya, humble at ready harapin ka.
Doon na. Nag-sorry na, tapos umalis na. Kaya eto, magiging tahimik na yung buhay natin. Ha?
Diba? Naging green flag ulit si Matt.
Good morning.
Morning, Chad.
Sir,
Yeah.
hanap na po ba yung necklace ko?
They haven't found it yet, pero I told them na hanapin pa, kahit sa labas ng cafe. I'm sure nandito lang yun, since nandito ka lang naman daw hotel kahapon.
Thank you po.
Orders ready to serve? Thank you. Order for Mila? There you go. Enjoy.
Ba't may whipped cream? Sinabi ko kanina sa barista na no whipped cream kasi mataas ang cholesterol ko.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We'll have it replaced. Don't worry.
Babada na naman, maghihintay na naman ako. Sino ba manager niyo dito?
Our manager is not here as of today. I am taking over on his behalf.
Eh kaya naman palapalpak ang mga tao dito kasi walang maayos na supervisor.
I will bring this up on my report, ma'am. Don't worry. And I will be taking full responsibility sa oversight ng staff.
Ang sungit nung ano eh.
Just give me a
Well,
couple of minutes.
kapag
and
hospitality
I'll
or
have it
kahit
fixed.
anong work yan, kailangan talaga
I'm really
mahaba yung
sorry for the
pasensya mo.
inconvenience, ma'am. This rarely happens. And we'll make sure it won't happen again. And to make it up to you, we'll add something special sa new order mo, ma'am. Okay? There you go. Plus, we've added our signature turkey sandwich. Recommended for people who are mindful of their health. Enjoy, ma'am.
Libre na to.
Libre na to. May,
Sandwich on my tab, okay?
hindi pa rin red flag sa akin yun, sorry.
Hello.
Kasi it's his job talaga na
Kahit yung
maging
initial
ganun.
results ng investigation, that will be fine. Send it to my email. Okay, thank you.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Ayoko nang,
Parang
kahit
bigyan.
may gusto sa akin,
I think you need some extra
kahit may gusto yung boss ko sa akin, ayoko nang ganitong,
Well, I was
ano
hoping
yun,
na
special
samahan ka since
treatment.
hindi ka naman si Aljo. kasama na rin sa continuous observation ko yung process ng delivery service natin.
Sige po, kayo po bahala.
Daddy, nasa na po yung phone?
Yung phone ko nga, it is a birthday.
Daddy, nasa na po?
Wait ah. Saluhin mo. Nasa tenga mo!
How did you do that, Daddy?
It's magic!
Daddy, you're so galing!
Siyempre, gusto mo ba?
Opo!
Tara sa beach tayo. Para marami. Gagawin kitang sirena.
Nagawin kita sa Serena.
Yeah?
You like magic?
Ate pa po yun. Tara siya.
So, hindi mo talaga sasabihin sa akin? Bakit hindi ka naniniwala sa magic?
Tagal na nung. Thank you pala sa pamarianda mo, ha.
Para may
Favorite ko yung
konting
chocolate. Pero
endorsement.
favorite ko rin yung BTN eh. Eto, the favorite sa naman.
Alam mo, try it with the iced coffee. It goes perfect together.
Nung nakaraan, Bayo Jessie, or hindi, Sun Life.
Thank you.
Ano? How was it?
Magical.
Kahit competitors tayo, I can always appreciate it with coffee. Alam mo, seryoso ako. You shouldn't stop believing in magic. Because sometimes when all is lost, believing in magic will pull us through.
Hirap na kasi ma-disappoint, sir eh. Alam mo na, hindi na tayo bata.
I have a magic trick for you.
Sorry, alam niyo yung uninterested ka talaga pag hindi yung bias mo yung ka-eksena ni Cha.
I promised I would find you a necklace. And since hindi pa natin nahanap, ayaw kong ma-disappoint ka. Again, I just want to show you na hindi ko sasayangin yung chance na binigay mo sa akin.
Sir, pasensya na ho, pero hindi ko po kayang tanggapin yan. Na-appreciate ko po. Kaso, diba, sabi ko naman po sa inyo, ayoko ng special treatment.
But you are special. To me at least.
Sir, pwede pong mas po muna tayo dyan. Pwede pong professional po muna tayo. Paso na kasi ako dati.
Is it because of what I did?
Oo.
I understand. If that's what you want. Naimbag ni Rabi.
Anong ginagawa mo rito? Pinayagan na ba kitang pumunta rito sa bahay ko?
Hindi po.
Walang yan. Pinaganda mo talaga yung pagpunta rito kay Chan. Ang bango mo eh.
Hindi po! Wala po! Walang ganun!
Kung ganun, wala si Cha rito.
Kayo po.
Wala rin. Magic. Chik!
Buti na lang di alam ng tatay ni Cha. Una pa siya kay Cha.
Cha,
Andito ka.
Hindi, wala siya dyan.
May ibibigay lang ako sa'yo.
Grabe yung yakap.
Sa tuwing nakikita yung mata, sumisigla,
Buhat-buhat na niya si Cha.
akala ikaw pala ang para sa akin. Halika na kaya, samahan mo ako. Kaya tara na.
Saan mo na hanap to?
Aray! Ay! Alasan mo! Aray! Aray! Okay lang! Okay lang! Wala to. May nahulog lang kasi dito kanina eh. So, hinahanap ko lang.
Ano po yun? Tulungan ko na po kayo sa
Hindi
paghahanap.
na! Okay na! Okay na ako dito. Sige na! Mahanap ko to.
Sige po.
Huwag mo na lang sabihin sa kanila nung nakita mo dito, ha?
Sige. Pasensya na po.
Sobrang effort. Sana all. May man.
Got you. Diyan lang. Sa tabi-tabi.
Sa basurahan tapos sinuot lang basta.
This is not the normal necklace. Wala siya kasing area na pasok yung place. You have to double natin.
Hoy!
Hi!
Ano yun?
Sir!
Ay!
Isinuli lang po ako sa kanya.
Gutom na ako.
Puro na po ako, sir!
Sinuli lang.
Hindi
Hindi tayo.
Bakit?
Thank you. Hindi tayo. Okay.
May ganun eh.
Ang bango. Ano yung niluto nyo? Kayo po ba nagluto? Or sinabi nyo?
Uy! Mas Bogi! Tsaka pala. Uy! Pala yun eh.
Kita mo naman, safe na safe, di ba? Ano, Boss Bobby? Sunduin ko ba si Miss Cha?
Bukas? Oo naman.
Nice! Sobrang...
Sa umaga, kaya... Sana okay itong tip ko para sa special request mo bukas. Bukod pa sa bayad ni Cha.
Maraming salamat dito
I love
Boss,
how Matt
kreto na natin.
do his moves. Grabe!
Huwag ka mag-alala, Boss Bobby.
Grabe yung gesture.
Pusin ko lang ito, Boss. Alas na ako. Thank you, Boss.
Okay.
Mas nagkaroon ng meaning yung kwintas
Uy!
niya.
Nakita mo na pala yung necklace mo.
Okay ka lang?
Yun na nga, May. Hindi ko kasi maintindihan. Pwede naman ibigay sa akin ni Matt yung kwenta sa legacy. Hindi pa din nala dito.
Okay, yes, effort yung ginawa niya. Yung paghanap dyan sa necklace mo, tapos dinala pa nga niya dito para ibigay lang sa'yo. It's a good gesture, right? Diba? Lalo na kung bumabawi siya sa mga taong naarkabyado niya. But like what you said, he's a nice guy. I mean, he would have done it for anybody.
Siguro anak mayaman tong si Mylene Dizon dito. Curious kung ano yung family background niya. The way she speaks kasi, kung galing ka lang sa simpleng pamilya, you won't talk like that. Oh, nag-English. Pero yun nga, yun yung napansin ko.
You sure, ha?
Hindi na umasa si Jaja. Okay.
I saw Cha. And dumating papa niya. So I ran as fast as I could.
Bakit hindi ka pa rin ba pinapayagan manligaw?
I mean, I understand naman kung bakit medyo suspicious sa akin kasi syempre, yun na nangyari.
You admire him?
He's a good father. Very protective. Ganyan, no?
That's normal. Being protective is normal of a good father. Siyempre, he's just looking after his daughter's well-being.
Which is why I always have to be on his good side. Just to be sure.
As you can see, the sales of the delivery service is now exceeding Matt's projections. And I also took note there yung suggested na relyebo ng e-bikes para maski yung power consumption ng bikes will be more efficient. Mali po ba to?
No, it's not. Your recommendations are valid. In fact, it's good that aside from monitoring daily sales, nag-iisip ka rin ng recommendations to make our operations even better. It's even more cost and energy efficient. It's good planning for usage of legacy resources.
Thanks, Dad. Siguro mas inspired lang ako nowadays to do my best.
Good. So,
Let's toast.
cheers. Keep it up, son.
Now you get your validation. Hindi dahil kay Matt, hindi magiging successful yan. Aminin natin. Kung sino yung nagsimula, kung sino yung nakaisip, di ba?
Ito lang yung papadeliver natin. Saan niya nahanap yan?
Sa Rambi.
Anong pinag-uusapan yung...
Wala. Sinuli niya lang sa akin kagabi, tapos pinawat niya sa akin.
Tamis! Tamis ng bestie ko na yun.
Pero dumating si Papa.
Asim.
Good morning. Hey, you found it. Saan mo nahanap?
Nahanap po ni Matt, sir, sinuli niya kagabi.
1 point for Matt.
That's good.
Ano pong kailangan niya, sir?
Nope. Have a good day.
Yun yung problema kay
Ma'am? Ganyan ba dapat
Yun yung problema kay
Ma'am, back to work ka na, ma'am.
JR.
Okay, sige, thank you.
Mabilis siya ma-distract. Mabilis siya ma-bad trip.
Ayan, you should have met me sa office. Papunta rin naman ako dun.
I know. I'm sorry, but this couldn't wait. And honestly, I don't want others to hear about this. Not yet.
Why? What is it?
Lumabas na yung preliminary investigations on Jackie Bartolome. She's associated with other companies. Lahat yun nagsara na. And now, she's working with International Coffee Cooperative.
Yung napasok ni JR.
International Coffee Cooperative. It's a non-stock, non-profit organization in Laos. Nag-aanap sila ng research in the Asian region to help them provide data in improving policies to aid exportation of coffee beans in the region. All their information is there.
Patay ka na naman,
It's the
JR.
same company JR made a deal with.
I know. That's what I'm afraid of.
Laking problema niyan. And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 17. Next week na yung episode 18. And alam niyo yung habang tumatagal, natetense na ako kasi hindi ko na ma-predict ano nang mangyayari sa susunod. Pero ito na nga, si Miss yung Bartolome na to. Sino siya? Ano? At feeling ko mapapasama na naman si JR dito. And ayun guys, thank you for watching, and please kung makarating ka dito sa end ng video ko, please follow my new page. It's Ina Graziella. You can search it kapag hindi mo ma-search. Nasa-search naman siya. Charot! Pero yun, follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. It's Ina Graziella lahat. Pero dun sa TikTok, which is Ina Almazor. And guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you watch, like, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!